Welcome, from me say POCO X3, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously let's open up settings, scroll down, or is it about phone, I believe, there we go, and then choose factory reset and tap erase all data. If you have some kind of protection, you will need to confirm it. And then we need to wait that 20 seconds, so basically it gives us a message that performing this will remove our data. That includes photos, videos, pictures, anything that you have basically put on the device yourself. And if there's anything that we'd like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on OK, and the process will begin. Now this will take about a minute or so, and once it's finished we will be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.